guys, so today we're making a Ramadan lantern, and what you need is a ruler and one paper. So let's begin. Fold your paper in half vertically. And now you have to cut it the same height. That's why I told you to take the ruler. You have to make a horizontal line, and the choice of centimeters is yours. Roughly, I have took around 8 centimeters. I have made the line now, but remember, don't make it too high or too low. And I have taken 8 centimeters from this fold. The next step is you have to make so many vertical lines, okay? And they should be about ½ centimeter apart. First, I will draw the dots, so it's easy for us to draw. As you see, I have drawn these dots, and now I'm going to make the vertical lines along these dots. As you have seen, I've drawn all these lines, and now we have to cut along these lines. So as you see, I have drawn all these lines, and now I have cut them. Now we're gonna go to the next step. The next step will be we have to open the fold. Place it up a bit. Okay. And then just fold it, just do it like this. Just make it the rectangle. And then roll it. You can make it thin or any size. So now you have to do it. First set it up. It should be in line up here. It might be a bit difficult. The best way of doing it is you can just put the glue here. And here. If you have a candle, you can just put it under on the table, and then on the table, and then put the lantern over the candle, and then otherwise you can just put a handle, and then you can hang it somewhere, or you can just fold a little the back of your handle so you can put in a sticky thing, and then you can stick it like tape it up. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.